Hello, in this video we're going to take a quick look at how to pair a Bluetooth phone with the Carver sound system. The first step is to turn on the ignition. Next, what you do is go down to the Bluetooth amplifier and you hold down the button for 3 seconds. That turns it on and then off again. And then you turn it on again and we get the Carver pairing mode, which I'll show you on the phone now. Once the Carver is in pairing mode, you'll then see it if you refresh the visible devices, available devices in your Bluetooth section. You select the Carver option, it then wants you to confirm to pair it, you press pair and it all connects. And then it's just a case of starting some music and you can turn up the volume as you see fit. So it's quite simple. That's all that you need to pair the Bluetooth. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.